It used to be that I didn't pay that much attention to the Amsonia, or Bluestar as it's known by its common name. That was before I visited the Scott Arboretum at Swarthmore College in Philadelphia. I happened to be making a visit there one October, and I was simply blown away by the wonderful bright golden colour in the autumn time. I seen how it stood out in the landscape there with its billowing bright yellow colour and lovely red stems, and I was then taken and I thought, man, this is really a very nice plant. Of course, I knew that it was a native North American species. I knew that it carries these very pretty little light blue star-shaped flowers now in early summer that last for about 2 to 3 weeks. I admired the fine feathery textured foliage and also enjoyed the fact that it was a hardy zone 4 plant that deer normally don't bother with. And after I went out to the garden too and seen sometimes when it rains how the water beads really nicely on the foliage, I kind of was warming up to the fact that this could be a really very nice plant. But then, as I say, when I seen it in the autumn time, it really opened my eyes and thought, you know, this is a plant that we really should be growing more of in our landscape, particularly when you consider that it's not bothered by any pests and diseases and really is very easy to grow on a wide variety of soil types. Grow it from sandy, clay soil, it's not at all fussy for that. So in many ways, it's an ideal garden plant. One of the little tricks I found out over the years with this is that when it flowers now, and it carries lots of these really pretty little sky blue flowers, as I say, it starts to extend up a little bit and can get to about 3 to 4 foot high. What I found is that if I cut it back after it finishes flowering to about 6 or 8 inches from the base, you help to then thicken it out and make it even more impressive in the fall, because then it makes lots of really thick, bushy, fine textured colour that really stands out. So if you're looking for a hardy, reliable native plant that has pretty little blue flowers in early summer and then fine textured green foliage during the summertime that then turns a fantastic colour in the autumn time, you might want to take a look at getting some Amsonia Butterscotch. This is a selection that was introduced by Emerald Coast growers with a particularly nice colour in the autumn time.